Guys, let me show you the easiest way to get money. It's all about one husband. What are you waiting for? It's easier way to get money. Just register with the promo code Vision 2020 whilst watching Peer Pressure series on CJ and get your 200% bonus with your first deposit. One husband, yes, the most now you are solid. Just say I'm solid.
Yeah, Vision Nation, baby.
Previously on Peer Pressure.
What? This guy is really like a new star on it.
Hey. What's all this exaggeration about? And is this princess falling in love with someone?
Excuse you?
Oh, please.
Don't I have the right to do that? Please.
Like, seriously, we can't see that Michael guy for any help. Besides, he got nothing better to offer us.
Fresh boy, calm down. Do you know what? Something tells me that Michael guy can help us. And do you know why? One.
Oh.
When you see pizza, you see princess. When you see princess, you see pizza.
Exactly.
Hey!
Cake in the building. It's first to the Kyekyeku.
Violin.
Yeah. Vision Nation. Say, Mobian Dada, more in Bradian, no one paid your crab one pair. Mobian more pressure, Pim Cock or strong man best string. School girl CP needs to buy open now for same day I'll be a lesbian. Fraud boys P no boy or back class hour depends no team seen to the bank. More in break and Satanya about you 240. Peer pressure, if you rose one can't see me never found yeah and I'm in my wood. It became Mojeku for the council, trying to 7 flags I know the other. Sugar mama phone a date or no didn't come out what you say yeah my papa.
Be any fear free to be a tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Be any fear free to be a tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And yes, I before peer pressure before. Peer pressure before. Peer pressure before. Peer pressure before.
Peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure.
Be any fear free to be a tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Be any fear free to be a tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And yes, I peer pressure before.
I feel so fly when I try that thing that make them say alright. I feel so fly in my mind. So would you help me sing alright?
Going all the way, yeah. I feel like I could jump up and touch the stars. Feeling so great, yeah. I feel like I could fly all the way.
I can only help you guys if your minds are one.
But Michael, how can you make us rich and famous? Like, you are an ordinary guy just like us.
Yes. I can see you have a very weak heart. High spirit. I told you to go and talk deeply to your heart. To know the kind of heart you have before you can know more about me and to see riches. Michael, don't mind the Dawn and Fresh boy. I don't know why they're acting this way, but please forgive them. We are ready. Our minds are one.
No! I said no!
High spirit, let me tell you one thing.
If you are ready for this journey
Fresh Boy and I, we are not ready. Hey, we are one. We are one. No turning back. High Spirit. Thank you. You guys are never ready to see riches. You guys are never ready to see fame. Let me tell you, before you people can see fame, you have to go and prepare your hearts and have the same mindset before you can take the journey.
Did you say journey?
What journey is that? The journey to your riches. And let me tell you guys, no other person must hear about this conversation. Else, you guys will face the anger of Mahubala.
Mahubala.
On Wednesday, we did a class test.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And I inform you guys that if you fall below the range of 8, I'll do the punishment. Who I said that, right?
Yes.
Okay. Looking at the performance, it's not impressive at all. So I decided to reduce the amount to 60%.
That's for them.
Sorry. So if you hear your name, do all done for your paper. Do I make myself clear?
Yes.
Alright.
Canis Boys Entertainment. What's good, K4? Legs, yo, so
Hey,
the beat.
hey, stop that. Anyway, I want you, little baby rot, to deliver this important letter for them. Yeah, to Alvin. It's really important to me. Have it. Take it. And make sure you don't let anybody knows about this. Not even your school mom, neither your friends. Do you really get that? Else you're gonna whip the school for about 2 good weeks and scrub every gutter for a mat.
Mercedes. 75. Clap for her. You did quite well. Bring it. 66. Clap for her. Hey, what is it? Efiabolu. 84. Clap for her. Richie. 75. Clap for him.
Hey, I'm not done. You know I'm from Third, right? So I can do whatever I want to do with you. And remember, I'm from America, yeah? That's the point. Now, leave my premises. Hey, you. Hey, come back here. Okay. I can see it's showing up there. Put it in the fucking bag well. That's not it. Remember, if you feel that, you weak. And scrub as well. Look at her. Ugh. Yeah.
Frank. Yes, sir. 76. Hey. Janet. 65. Mavis. 55. Hey. I'm here. You don't know. Step up Faustina! 66.
In the hospital, cause I'm straight but really the capital. Money is but nigga got it though. The niggas who ever when I make it poor.
Yeah, and he said he got Jiggy G. Ruffy the snowman, I make it snow to the Eminem. Everybody want me, now I'm taking Eminem. Tell that bitch to pepper when I'm looking, then I'm pitting him. Don't matter.
Do you know Princess and Pumpkin?
Yeah, what about it?
She asked me to deliver this to you.
Is it Princess?
Yeah, you get
Sister
flowers.
Princess, Americana.
Hey, Alvin! Give me that.
Beat! 73. Kyekyeku? Kyekyeku? 47. Hey, be quiet. Hey, come here. Come here. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. I said keep quiet. Hey, come here. Last time, come here.
I'm patient.
No.
I'm sick, I'm patient.
You are sick. Whatever you are sick or yes, you will be punished. You stand here. You will meet you or something like that. Hold it. Like that back. No. Stop fooling. Come on.
Don't you dare deny, because I saw what she gave to you. Let me have it now, or else I will personally tell Jevik, your school father. And will you dress well? Stupid boy. Hurry up! Let me have the letter. What? One day shall never end, so hey, this is unbelievable. So, Princess wrote this love letter to you.
Stop, please.
Hey, hey.
I don't know what is inside.
Okay, don't worry. Since you don't know what is in this letter, I will keep it.
But sister, please.
Will you take your leave? Princess, this girl. Hey,
You're from here. What you? It's okay. You are the lady. What's it? Who's your man? Nash.
I'm very much impressed on how some of the students will congratulate my performance on stage last week Saturday. Hey, this one the superstar. Now I think superstar. We know Sister Princess, Americana, the one where she did your class. No? You know, say she read me letter. When she proposed, give me the letter inside.
And so?
Senior Jervis, I'm very confused. I'm so confused. Very confused.
Do you love her?
Senior Jervis. That's why I came to you. I'm confused.
See, let me tell you something. It's about time you stay away from this water girls in this house.
True.
Just focus on your education. Focus on your music career. Don't you want to be a great musician? Like Sir Akodie, Shakawale, Stoneboy, Kwame Region, VisionBwoy.
VisionBwoy.
But remember, don't ever try to pull a gun on stage.
They are jealous.
See, but on the more serious note, forget about the girls. Forget about the girls. Girls no most come on, before come on. As a handsome young guy, like, forget about the girls, concentrate on education so that you become a great person in the future. Have you understand me? So what is the letter?
Letter Yasin. The letter. You see Rachel my class, former Rachel. She brought the letter to me now. I don't know where Sister Vivian Ofi. Or the letter ni shame say my Sister Vivian. You know, I be shame to Sakroma or the co. I be shame letter no or the co.
That Vivian girl is a witch. Vivian is a witch.
She's a witch.
Charlie, that one too is another problem. You don't worry, I know what to do. But don't mind them, Just focus on education. Okay?
It's dining today. I'm going to take your food.
Yeah, go and get it. Don't forget to add some water, Okay. Vivian. This letter. I don't quite could do it here. My boy. Letter. It's a beautiful, bright new day.
To the Kyekyeku elephant.
All in.
Yeah. Vision say, Mobian Dada, more in Radian, no one pay your crab one pair. Mobian my pressure, Pim Cock on strong my best friend. School girl CP needs to buy open now.
Hi, Royce. How are you?
Just okay. I'm good, and you?
I'm also good. I can see you are fetching water.
What sort of fetching is that? Yeah.
With the bucket?
No, cup.
Hey, Royce. The whole thing is, I want to discuss something with you.
Oh, okay. What's it?
It's like I'm a good guy, and I'm a type of guy I don't spread what I see, but I keep it in my mouth. If I was to spread everything I see in this school, right now, everywhere you pass, your name will be mentioned. They will be calling you Royce. You have do this, you have do that, you have do this.
Me?
Yeah. But I don't spread things.
Hey guys, I told Iyke to visit me this weekend. Charlie.
Oh yeah, I told Biggie to come along. He's bringing me a lot of stuffs. I mean provisions. Oh, I just miss him. Can't wait to see him.
Hey, she already know it's not good for that man to come here. You know, students, they'll start suspecting something. You know that.
They are not coming in as our sugar daddies. They're just coming in as our fathers, and we leave no suspicion anywhere. What's wrong with you?
I want to help you, and the help is that I can see you are looking for something, but you don't see, you don't get, so you are doing with the same gender.
Kyekyeku, when you came, I was busy. What are you up to? Just be precise and go straight to the point.
And I'm going straight. Relax for the point, okay? The point is coming. And I'm a guy. I sacrifice myself to more people. I'm a cheap guy. Man for papa. So everything you need from a guy, me, I'll provide for you. I can't want you to give your whole package, this whole body, to a common security man.
Hey, what are you talking about?
See, Sheila is right. We have worked with these old men for 6 months now. And we know how to deal with them. Okay? So you can ask Papa J to come along too. Hey, you already know my dad is in a state. And there is no way I can ask that man to represent him. No! Princess, nobody knows your dad since Form 1. So you can ask him to, stand in for you. Hey, let me tell you one thing. My dad gets swagged more than that, man. You get it? Okay?
What's stressing? I'm the
Princess, you should make your mind up, okay? Anyway, I'll try.
I say I can't watch or look for you to give this whole package to a common security. The one who open gate, close gate for people in this compound. For what reason? I want to sacrifice myself for you. Me not say manager.
Don't touch me.
Hey, dear man. Hey! Sister! What's wrong with my brother? Make a tree. Sister! What me pronounce here to talk?
No, what sort of nonsense is this?
What sense you to what sense is what are you? Who are you? I'll take my father leg. I will tell everybody. Hey, become a sinner. Madam.
Hold it. You need not to touch a lady.
Hey. What's all the hour? Or the hour? Gossip.
I really hate these two girls. Like, they just smell.
No, babe. The fair girl, what's the name?
Is it Mercedes or what?
Mercedes and even Mercedes. They are no.
Mercedes.
Princess.
Right, what is it? Ask him, I don't even know what
I'll show my father leg. Become a sinner. I will tell everybody.
Hey, what is it?
You're here, we are fetching water and I come and explain some more things to you. And what I saw a year or more year near a year or more year, and maybe say, yeah, and you know, and I got from once about America. When is out, whatever must.
If you don't have anything sensible to say, better leave.
You see what you do? You will come, you are standing here, you see, he slapped me. This guy, the Rolls Royce that is the name, is not Rolls Royce, it's a Tico. Because if a Rolls Royce will slap a man like this, it's a Tico guy. He's not a Rolls Royce.
Yo, fam, this is your boy, Sakwadi. Charlie, you guys know say you chop money for your back. You are not aware. Make a show. For Google Play Store, you go download the 1xBet app. For register with peer pressure promo code Vision 2020. Hi, that one will make you chop money. And so the thing is, as you watch peer pressure, you can get money. 200% bonus. Charlie, you know easy. As I did, I go play man. So come join me. Come.
So, what are you having for lunch today?
Oh, thank you, baby, for asking. Pizza for sure. Pizza, yeah.
Half a blind every pizza. So we didn't know in Twitter which they say. Half a blind.
I don't get you. What do you mean?
I said, Libya. Audition them.
What? What are you laughing at?
My dad gets swag.
Yeah, daddy gets swag more than that.
Oh,
man,
shit,
you know
baby.
Hey, you guys, what are you insinuating?
Hey, very good.
I have pizza.
And me, I promise you, if you don't speak to this girl, everybody will hear my name from this school. I will beat her. I promise you.
Kyekyeku, are you warning me?
I'm not warning you, but you show what you do.
You are not serious.
I
will make you.
Make what the one that come, that pass come. Them fast by.
If you don't have anything to say, you better leave.
I said, I had
You are not serious.
I ain't have for me, sir. Wait. Yeah, just I will see. And I will like. I'll beat it. You mark it. I'll beat it.
Hey, these farm tools and their troubles.
Kyekyeku stood so low. He stood so low. It was 0 degrees for a common girl. You see how bow he slapped you.
When? The fella in trouble. I wish. That baby. Miss girl slap me.
Sammy,
why I catch it up? Let me one more. As what you me say, as what you say, Iyke no you say na me come here, me respond me. I just want to acting there. Oh yeah, acting. Also money a year rent. I say they are both. I didn't near ya. See, if you're near ya, I didn't near nipa na who can or can. I me oh you me say. I'm a babo assume.
Yes, GG.
Okay, then. No, even no tab na no bu so na me kwam oh. Me say almost the 3 4 name catch am we ya e bia so be bowa no you say. Ti me ye na we hu ye na fa market wa bia jeje ya obi ti ya. Obo na me no so hu no so waka. Nti na mu di agro. Agro ni eji. Acting.
Wow! She slapped you. Yeah, this is so compare no.
What is them compare no? When you watch me. Watch me. So super.
You talk too much.
This is so super. Me dem person kwase me. So super. Oh, mo can ube carry am na wo. I don't know obo.
Yes, you're good.
The fella in trouble. I said me and come me obo. You obo better me and come.
Next on Peer Pressure.
The reality of the matter is that last Saturday, I went to the tap to wash my school uniforms and then he came over to propose to me. I declined. Yes, me! I declined his proposal. And what even triggered me was that when I bent down to wash my uniform, he touched my bottom and molested me.
Kyekyeku, senior housemaster. What do you want from me?
You see your life. Don't you ever in your miserable life mess up with us again. I mean, my friends and I. If you dare do so, you would see more than this.
I like that. Can you imagine? Do you know that aimless singer who calls himself VisionBwoy?
I know.
That Frega.
That from Frega. What has he done?
He came to propose to me. Ah, so nice.
K in the building. It's first to the Kyekyeku.
Violin.
Yeah. VisionNation. Say, Mobian Dada, more in Brady, and one paid your crab one pair. Mobian more pressure, him caught on strong man best strength. School girl CP needs to buy open now for some day I'll be a lesbian. Fraud boys P no boy or back class hour depends no team seen to the bank. More in break and Satanya back P 240. Peer pressure, if you real one can't see me never found yeah and I'm in my wood. It became Mojeku for the council, trying to 7 flags I know any other. Sugar mama phone you date or no do come out what you say yeah my papa.
Be any fear free to ye be agree to now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Be any fear free to ye be agree to now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And yes, I be foul, peer pressure be foul, peer pressure befa. Befa, peer pressure befa. Befa, peer pressure befa.
Peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, 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 peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, pressure, pressure.
Obiani fear free moon to ye be dream tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay. Obiani fear free moon to ye be dream tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay. And yes, a befa, peer pressure befa.